Hello, Refuge runners. How's it going? So, it's the end of the season. I have a few extra hunts that I took videos on, and yeah, they're very short amounts of usable, good content. So, I'm gonna put some of them together, and I hope you enjoy them.
What? Yeah, that group's already come around. Came around on this end. And they swung wide right over the close zone. 50, big old group of like 40, 30, 42, huh? Yep, hold on, let me go high pitch too. Can you see him? Watch him. Diver?
Yeah.
Is it down?
Yeah, it's down.
It's kind of down.
Come back.
I can't see. Right here. The swamp.
Oh.
There might be a snow couple in there. Get him. We were looking at the swans. I was looking at them too.
I didn't get any of those. They just like formed.
Man, I just fell over the bushes.
I didn't see it. So it doesn't count.
Took over the bushes.
I should have got at least kill something. Hold on it. Ooh, that would be good.
So you almost took it backwards?
Yeah, I got a 16 gauge shot.
Oh, that would be bad.
That would be really bad. No wonder it didn't cycle.
It was in there?
It was next to be shot.
Oh, jeez. That's for sure. All right, here we go. We're back in business. Man, I'd like that big old ball of wisdom to come down on us. They were looking hard up here. You'd seen them, a bunch of them tipping like, okay, look in this pond. I don't think they flare. I think they just moved on. But
Is there anybody south of us?
one guy. Yeah, right there. See him? Now we're talking. Look at these guys.
It's nice to see them. We're going somewhere in there.
Hey, no easy suckers. Don't move.
Good him.
Kill it, baby, kill it.
Thank you. I got lucky.
Nice. Okay, yeah.
I'd like keep money in it.
Get him.
Those coots over there. I almost guarantee it.
Jacob.